We're getting a first look at the Clix case. If you are someone who misses having a physical keyboard for your case, then there are two colors available for this case. Let's see what it can do.
It was really easy to put the Clix case onto my phone. I slipped on the Clix case at an angle and then just pulled the lip of the case over the top of my phone, and it fit perfectly. We were told that the material that this Clix prototype was made of is not going to be the exact material that will be shipped, but that they're really similar. Clix comes with several pre-programmed shortcuts that users will love. Two shortcuts that I demonstrated were the ability to go back to the home screen using Command and H at the same time, and then also the ability to scroll on a browser window simply by tapping the spacebar, which was really handy when looking at different media websites or reading things on specific web pages. I also thought it would irk me that the delete key is below the P key on the keyboard, but it ended up being really intuitive. When speaking to the founders of Clix, they talked about how they actually brought in the last row of keys in order to have more corner keys on the keyboard. The reason for this is that your thumbs are most familiar with the keys on the outside ends of the keyboard. Shortening the last row made that more possible. The emoji keyboard is accessible with a single button on the Clix keyboard. You press that button and then you have the option to bring up different emojis. So it's really easy to toggle back and forth.
So I've got both Clix models right here. In my left hand, I've got the iPhone 15 Pro model. And then over here on my right hand, I've got the iPhone 15 Pro Max model. You can see that direct side-by-side comparison of those. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's got a little bit more space in terms of those buttons, in terms of both the size of the buttons and space between the buttons. So that's something that might be a deal maker or a deal breaker for you. If you're someone who has larger hands or you just want to be able to button mash a little more vigorously, then this might be the right pick for you. I have small girlish hands, and so the iPhone 15 Pro is the better model for me. It's also the phone that I particularly went with.
The keys were tactile and it was really easy to press them down. Not as much as a mechanical keyboard, certainly, but I knew when I was pressing the keys down. And I also found that when I leaned into my fingers a little bit more and specifically pressed with my fingernail, it was even easier to type.
I really appreciate how both of these models are very lightweight. Getting the case onto the phone was pretty simple, and also getting the case off of the phone. So if you didn't want to have this case on while you were doing something like taking a phone call or watching a horizontal video on your phone, then it's really easy to peel this thing right off and be able to enjoy your phone normally. It also fits nicely into a front jeans pocket. Both models fit comfortably into my jeans pockets, and so that was a pleasant surprise as well. So we've got this banana yellow color if you want something bright and bold, or if you want something a little bit more subdued, there is this gray color as well. We also spoke with the Clix team, and there will be more colors that are hopefully coming out in the near future. We did see a prototype of this little lady right here, which I personally want, but there might be some other colors that are coming out in the near future, so stay tuned.
The Clix case will be $139 for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro, and $159 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The 15 Pro Max is going to be available to ship first, shipping February 1st, followed by the 14 Pro Max available in mid-March, and then the 14 Pro available later this spring.
Would you go back to using a physical keyboard for your smartphone? Let us know in the comments.